We're one of the few companies in North America that does light and heat together. It has a 700 lumen, 3000 Kelvin light, and it has a 1500 watt heater. This is infrared heat. It heats the object, not the air. So that's why this is perfect for outdoor setting. In 2025, we came up with a new family of heaters called the Vellura. I'm going to show you the Vellura right now. We're one of the few companies in North America that does light and heat together. It has a 700 lumen, 3000 Kelvin light, and it has a 1500 watt heater.
Wow.
All of this is dimmable in 3 stages. We have touch controls on the base, and this is very easy to install. It's plug and play. It's 110 volt, that's it.
Wow.
You also have a remote control to operate these heaters, and it comes in 3 types. It comes in the floor lamp, the pendant, and the tabletop.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
And the light, he said, is dimmable?
Yeah, all right there.
Nice.
And the heater's dimmable too. I've put it in the medium setting, which is dimmable from 500, 1500, and 1000 watts. These are the 3 stages it dims at. It's going to take a couple minutes to completely heat up. I'm not putting it at high because it's going to trip the breaker, but yeah. Gives a nice orange glow. You put 2 chairs on the side, you have a nice heat coming down. That's a good feature to have. We introduced this product line for 2 reasons. One, you've probably seen the mushroom heaters.
Yes.
Yeah. They can be a little bulky and
like the propane heaters,
yeah,
right?
they can be a little bulky and a little tough to handle. And the operation cost on that is too heavy. Propane tank these days costs up to $40 a tank, and you have to keep replacing that. So the operation cost is too high. That's one problem. And the second problem is when you have gas heating and there's outdoor fluctuation, air fluctuation, it blows away the heat. This is infrared heat. It heats the object, not the air. So that's why this is perfect for outdoor setting. You see the fabric outside? That's umbrella-like fabric. We didn't go with umbrella because umbrella, we need to give royalty to umbrella, but we went with this umbrella-like fabric. It repels dust, water, or any other weather-resistant items.
Does it come in different colors?
Yeah, so the standard is black. We're coming up with a swatch of different colors that we do, just on the umbrella, just on the shade. The pole will still be black.
Yeah.
So this is what we have to offer, and we keep on coming up with new innovations every quarter. We're constantly doing prototypes. We're constantly working on new R&D. So partnering up with us makes it very advantageous for you, and I want to see where this takes us.
I'm really excited about these heaters. The plug-and-play solution is amazing. Having the hanging one, this one you just plug it in. This one, what do you plug it in or hardwire?
All of it, yeah. That's plug and play too.
Plug and play, amazing. And you don't have to be cold on your patio anymore. Plus, you have light.
Exactly.
I might actually get one of those for my
Hey, let me do you a solid. I'll register you online, and you may be able. We'll put you in a raffle draw. You may be able to win one of these. Place show.